see if this dries up like it's doing right now. All you're gonna do is take a little bit more blast away and go back on top. Once you do that, you take your 4 rags, stack them on top of each other, this is so you don't burn yourself. And then all you're gonna do is row by row, you're literally just gonna drag all this gunky crap off of your grill. Remove your bottom rag, throw that right out into the bin. You can pause that now. At this point, we're going to fill up a cup of just seltzer water. This is just to help clean off the excess chemical. And then you're going to repeat the same process as you did the first time. Row by row.